Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul, a massive haul from Dollar Tree. I went to 3 Dollar Trees because, and this video is always going to be up late, but I posted on my Instagram how to get updated the Dollar Tree, and I went to the other 2 to see if they had upgraded them, and they had some stuff, but they didn't finish doing the owls and stuff. So anyway, I'm just going to show you what I got. Yeah. Too much. I already showed you in the last haul a lot of stuff, but I did pick up just a no-touch key, which was nice to get that from the Dollar Tree. I did pick up these table runners, which you can just punch this out. Then I cut this out, and I think I've gotten this before. I can't remember, but it feels a little thicker, not thicker, but just the backing feels different than the just actual paper. But anyway, I thought I would use this for die cuts. The 6 by 48 inches, and you know, gold and that rose gold. I picked this up. I thought this would be so cool. Just like a little terrarium thing, I guess. Light bulb terrarium, yeah. But I thought I could alter this, you know. So that would be my goal, to do some kind of mixed media with this. Do something different. So, you know, got a little hole right there, but that, just that shape of it, nice double plastic. So I went on and got that. Just a little bag out of my way. Then they had some glass stickers. I did get this because I had an idea to use this in a project. They had some of the stickers. I had to get some, put some back. It was ridiculous. I got these Kush. Oh gosh, these push pins. I don't know why I thought these were just clips. I did not want these push pins. That's not what I wanted. But anyway, these are push pins. I don't know how I missed it. I just thought it was the clips and thought they were 4 clips. My bad. Alright, so they had, I think I want to say probably about 3, 6, 9, 12. They had 12 different rows of twine, different colors. Red, blue, black, white, gray, taupe, pink, mauve, green. Yeah, it was a lot of different twine. So I just got these 2. Then they had some more of the wood stickers. They keep bringing out different ones. I just get them all every time I go. And these are some of the animal ones: the fish and the bear, and the dolphin, and the whale, and the penguin, and the dolphin, and the octopus, and the dolphin, and the shell. Because you can always paint these. You can glitter these. You can heat emboss these. So you can do a lot of different things. You can put, you know, beauty on it. You know, you can put a lot of different things on it to alter this wood pieces. But to give you some products, some to mention. They had a ton of different types of flower stickers, and I don't know why these spoke to me, but I got these. I was just thinking like a mixed media or something I could put this on. But they had maybe like 8 different styles like this. And then the leaves, the foliage. And they had about 8 in this one as well. And this one just had the gold on it. I think that's probably why I got it, was red and gold. And they had about 8 in this style. So quite a few different types of flowers and styles. I did pick up 2 rub-on transfers that I thought might be cool in art journal. Dream until your dreams come true. I like that one. And then this one says the best day ever. You know me, I always buy these little metal ones whenever I go to the Dollar Tree. And I picked up more stuff I didn't need. Get these metals. Okay. So I picked up another pack of the magnets. I think these are different than other ones. Same shape obviously, but some of the sentiments look different. I can't remember. But anyway, it says be still, faith over fear, and pray hard. Just some bookmarks. Then I got some more of these metallic ones. I just thought one of my friends, Donna, had showed me this one. She picked it up and I was like, I love the colors on it, because I already had this one, but I bought it as a repeat again only because you don't get to see them out like, you know, that often. I love these for just adding some textures to some mixed media project. Yumminess. And I already have this one too, but I bought another one because you can never get enough black and silver. You can always use that one. But anyway, I got 2 of these because I just like these colors. and combination sales. That was pretty cool. And I hadn't seen them before until she showed me those. And I picked up this one. It says, I love you with my whole. I'm assuming it means heart, but it doesn't have that up there. Magic, kiss me, today choose joy, BFF, you plus me, star, happy time, love, heart to heart. I already showed you the other shapes. Oh, and they also had a cross one. Didn't get that one. But anyway, they had these. I thought I got all of them, but I missed it anyway. So these keychains and locks. I don't know what kind of shapes these are, but I just thought something that you could add on, something mixed media, you know, and gesso over it and paint it, whatever, but just have that dimension with it. And I don't know what I'm going to do with those, but again, I have this addiction with picking up different types of stickers. It's so bad. Just like this stupid addiction with ribbon. It says, I picked you, and there's red. I do not need ribbon. Accidentally, because I went to 3 different stores and realized I picked this one up twice. So I'll save one for a giveaway. And I'm pretty sure I have this black and white one, but I'll double check. But I love these colors right here too. You know, I like pink, but I like it with the brown. And then they had this coffee. The coffee bean. And they had these before. I don't think I just didn't get them. And the pink coffee cups, and the yellow coffee cups, and then the brown coffee cups. And that lighting is horrible. And this was just some yellow and blue floral. I didn't need any ribbon. Lord knows. I do not need ribbon. And I don't need stencils either. I don't need any of this Dollar Tree stuff. They just sucker me out because it's so cute. And it was affordable. And then I just pick them on when I think. So they had the gold roll rub-ons. Use that in all your kind of, you know, stuff. And this one says, who cares? Okay, go after your dreams. Fun, BFF, your, oh God, just know. Open mind, number 1, nope, not yours. Go after your dreams, freedom, hey, be who you are. Yes, freedom, open mind, yourself, yes, cool. Just the alphabet and some numbers and some floral. Some more alphabet. These are all rub-on alphabets. So just gold and black rub-ons. Now, let me see the stencils. Well, let me look for the stencils. And I know I don't have this one. I didn't have this one before. And I don't think I had that one. I can't remember. I know I had the Paris one. They had a few other ones, and I think I already had those. That's why I didn't get them. But these are the stencils, and I think I ended up picking up this one twice. I bet I did. Nope, I didn't. Anyway, hope I didn't. Good morning. I did. Yep, I knew it. And I think I already got it at home. I think I already got it. But this is going to my giveaway. Love, joy, gratitude, success, believe, faith, create, dream, imagine, family, and thankful. Put this in my duplicate. Because I'm going to do a giveaway with some Dollar Tree stuff. This says, be brave, be you, be kind, be happy. So I thought they were really nice. You can mix a little Twinchies with these. Create your own happiness. Don't stop until you're proud. And I thought these would just be nice for some Twinchies. Just a little background to stencil those in. Because they look like a Twinchie. A little smaller. Because it's 1 7/8 by... Yep, 1 7/8. But you can make that work on a 2 inch by 2 inch. True love, forever kiss, be mine, love, XO, X mouth, XO. I guess it's going to be I love you and Valentine. Happy birthday, funny party, surprise, celebrate, gift, and best wish. Yeah, these orange ones now. Be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. Any pieces of personal pizza if you believe in yourself. Shine bright. Trust yourself. And dream big. They had another one as well. Anyway, that's the ones that I got. They have some other ones, you know, the round, square, and octagon shape stencils where you can rotate them. They have tons of those too. But anyway, that's my big haul. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.